You can see it, the whole system moving in from the west. So far, rain-free in our immediate area, but not cloud-free. We definitely have that, and of course the fog too. 58 at Central Park currently, 46 in Poughkeepsie. We're down to 50 in White Plains and Islip, close to that in Merrick and Belmar. But you see where the visibility is the lowest through central New Jersey, especially less than a quarter mile in some spots, and in through Connecticut too, and parts of the Hudson Valley with White Plains less than a quarter mile visibility. So in the short term, that's definitely something that'll slow you down, and then eventually that rain that picks up in just a few hours. Keep in mind that it's with us through the midday, maybe a clap of thunder. Look at these temperatures though, 60 degrees at noontime, by 5 p.m. dipping into the 40s, and gusty winds too, adding to the wind chill factor so that by 10 o'clock it'll feel like the 20s. So we're going through a lot today. Be ready for the two seasons for this afternoon. And as far as the traffic goes, I know it's been a busy morning already.
Yeah, definitely not easy getting around right now, depending on where you're headed.
Maria, right now, early morning skies over Floral Park.
Yeah, they're very foggy. We have a lot of low clouds, but for now, no rainfall. Of course, that's changing in the next couple of hours. So if you were thinking about taking your pup out for the dog walk, I'd do it now while it's still dry, or the rest of the day, it's really good to be a kitty cat staying inside. Still 60 degrees expected by 11 a.m., but even a few rumbles of thunder. This is all crashing the temperatures later, so it's going to feel like the teens with the wind chill tomorrow morning. I have a couple of chilly days next week as well. I'll show you that in the 10-day.
Thank you, Marie.
Components to the story, and we have a lot happening. We've got a front coming through. Of course, we're still ahead of it. It's that warm wind, and that'll pick up again today. Behind it, chilly, and you do see some potential for some snowfall. It is going to stay interior northeast as this front comes on through, but it's got enough there. It's going to deliver quite the chilly punch, at least for half of the weekend. But if we wanted any staying power for this February chill, this high pressure, we'd rather have it way up here. We're just on the warmer side of the flow. So once again, we find those temperatures rising heading into the end of the weekend and early next week, and still not seeing any signs of any big blockbuster storm system or blockbuster snowmaker for that matter, with a few chances for some rain showers for the most part next week. So that's kind of what we're going through in a nutshell. And of course, a little bit of an up and down with temperatures, but never down enough where we're below average, right? Tomorrow, technically much chillier, but still above average. And you see where we're headed into next week, a streak of 50 plus once again. We're there right now, 58 degrees. It's muggy too. That dew point at 53, that's helping it feel like spring and helping to keep some of that fog around. The rain showers move in pretty quickly, and that continues through the midday with temperatures climbing back up near 60. So you want the umbrella heading out the door right now. And then as we get into the lunch hour, you see the yellows and the oranges, maybe a clap of thunder, but certainly periods of heavy rainfall from time to time. The back edge of the front comes through later this afternoon, but another little push could keep some of those showers lingering longer from Merrick and Islip into Bridgeport by the evening. But you can see at that point temperatures dropping into the 30s. So when we look ahead, it's a wind component too to today's and how it let me start that over again. Component to today's weather. Obviously, by later on this evening, it's about the feels like temperature, actual air temperature tonight and tomorrow morning, down in the teens and the 20s. But that's the bottom for the